everyone, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jessica and I'm the Director of Children's Services here at the Spartanburg County Public Library. Today I'm here to tell you a little bit about our winter pick-me-up kits. These are available at all of our 10 library locations, including our most recently opened Inman Library. They'll be available starting on December 19th in our first come, first served. Well, inside these boxes are pretty cool activities that hopefully will keep you busy during the winter holiday. We have DIY slap bracelets, instant snow, a snowman pop, snowflake necklace, and perler bead ornaments to make today. So feel free to join me and follow along as we make these together. So the first thing we're going to make is a snap bracelet because I definitely want to wear this the entirety of our recording. So I've got our winter DIY slap bracelet and I just love doing that with them. Okay, so with this you can color them with crayons, markers, pencils, anything that you have at home that makes you feel creative, that's what you can use. Okay, so I've got it right here and I'm going to grab my markers and come back and I'll get started. All right, so I've got my markers. You can grab crayons, colored pencils, markers, anything that helps you feel creative. I've got my markers here today, and I think what I'm gonna do is create kind of like a pattern. I thought I was gonna use the blue to maybe make snowflakes, but I'm really feeling the red and green vibes right now. So I'm gonna set my blue and black markers to the side and grab my red and green. So you can make any design that you want. But red and green are just such festive colors this time of year, and they just bring a lot of joy. So I'm going to make a pattern. Again, you can make whatever you want, but we're just going to have fun together and just relax and enjoy. Here we go. So I'm about halfway done with my slap bracelet. And slap bracelets are fun to keep for yourself, but it is the giving season, so you might even think about making it for a family member or a friend, or you could even give it to a teacher when you come back to school. These markers are really giving off a really cool tie-dye blend. As you can see, I've put a couple of different books out as recommendations for reading. Are you planning on reading anything during the holidays? If you need any book recommendations, just let us know. Alright, so I've completed my slap bracelet. I'm going to let it dry off a little bit. The marker has made it kind of wet. But as you can see, it looks really cool. It kind of looks like a candy cane. Alright, so I'm going to set this to the side and I'll probably end up wearing it later. We also have a really cool thing coming up next. We're going to make a necklace. So it's a snowflake necklace, and along with the bracelet, I'm going to wear a necklace during these videos as well. Alright, let me grab that kit and we'll get started.